Thank you so much for watching Handy Mandy Canada. Please like and subscribe and click that notification bell in the corner. Helps notify you when I make new videos. So I want to give a shout out to a very wonderful company. It's called Studio 106, and I ordered 4 sets of earrings from her. She is incredibly talented, and I'm very excited to unbox or unbag the earrings I just got. So I heard about this company by my sister-in-law in Maine, and I'm really excited because they're very beautiful. So I just got these in the mail. So I ordered 4 boxes. Ooh. Oh, they are so cute. Studio 106. She sent me a little card. I'm gonna read that. Thanks. Oh, some stickers. Hi Mandy, thank you for your order. I hope you love your earrings. All the best to you from Studio 106. So I'm going to unbox these right now. So here are the boxes that they come in. Super cute. So I'm going to open up each box. Here's the first box. Those are really nice. So, I don't know if you can see those. They're really, really cute. They have, it's like made out of pliable leather, little pieces of leather that are like together. That would look actually really nice with my outfit today. Okay. Ooh. Let's open the next one. She is very wonderful to connect with, very responsive. Ooh, those are really, really cute. Like the deer and the sparkle. Check out her Facebook page, Studio 106. She ships to you. Her prices are awesome, very fair. These are all handmade earrings. Ooh, those are just like the red ones, but just with black buffalo plaid. Oh, I love the deer. These are gonna be fun. They're really, really lightweight, which is super important. If you wear a lot of earrings, you don't want to wear super heavy earrings because it will pull down on your earlobe, and eventually it can cut the hole right through your earlobe. That happened to my grandmother. Repairable, but not fun. Oh, those are adorable. These are little green camo with gold. Oh, those are gonna be fun. So I'm going to show these all up close for you to see. And then I'm going to show you these ones on because they match. Here are my earrings that I got. They are super cute. I'm a big fan. Lightweight and just flashy. A little bit flashy, but not too much. Oh yeah, those are fun. Oh, see, now doesn't that dress up the outfit? Yay. I love them. Thank you, Studio 106. We'll be able to do so many different fun outfits with these.